Hello everyone, a very good afternoon and a warm welcome once again on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. I'm Gourav Gupta and I at on this channel on a beautiful Sunday morning welcome all of you once again for our next lecture, that is part number 20 for 500 most expected quant questions for all the students who are preparing for CAT and other management entrance examinations. I'm hopeful that the preparation that all of you are doing is going well on track. All of you are well energetic. कोर्स कंप्लीट हो चुका है, रिवीजन स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. इस मोमेंट पे आई एम श्योर लाइक दोज हु हैव स्टार्टेड वे बैक लाइक इन द मंथ ऑफ January or February, they must have finished one round of the entire syllabus and they have started their revision. Why I'm talking about all these things? Because today the notification of CAT is already out. Yes, my dear friends, CAT का notification आ चुका है. A few hours ago, I saw the notification of CAT examination, and you all can start filling up the CAT form starting from 2nd of August. Yes, my dear friends, the CAT notification is already out. So जिसको नहीं पता है इस बारे में, CAT का notification आ चुका है, and in another 1 hour we have conducted a session for all of you based on the notification of CAT examination. So as soon as this session is over, we will start that session in which I will be discussing about the some of the important things that are there in the notification of CAT. So friends, notification of CAT already out, the thing that which all of you were waiting for. Okay, so a lot of things will be discussed related to CAT notification, but before that, we shall continue with the session that we have already started a few months back, 500 most expected questions. And these sessions are being conducted on all three sections of CAT: quantitative ability, LRDI, and verbal RC. And this is part number 20 for 500 most expected quant questions. Now, friends, in these sessions, okay, so Namaste Kaka. Sai, no, I'm not from Andhra Pradesh. I am a Delhiite. मैं दिल्ली में ही रहता हूँ. Okay, so friends, in all these sessions, we have discussed plenty of questions based on different areas of quantitative ability, and most of these questions might have helped you in understanding some of the concepts, in building up your fundamentals, in revising different topics that you have already covered in the past. Now, in the similar manner, we'll keep conducting these sessions for all of you till CAT examination. All right. So, friends, all of you, let's start solving these questions in the similar manner. So, I'll be showing you these questions one by one, and we'll be giving you a few seconds to solve these questions. And after which I'll be telling you the fundamental behind the question, the concept behind the question, and then I'll give you the solution for that. Okay, so all of you, let's start solving solving these questions in this session. Yeah, lucky sir, because we seem FMS daily. Okay, all right, great. So let us begin with this. So friends, the first question will be there on your screen, and all the students who are watching this session in the live format, also the students who are not watching the session in the live format, who will watch it later on, I want, whenever you will be watching this session, please try to solve these questions in the time that I'll be giving you. Okay, so I'll be giving you enough time, just enough time so that these questions will be solved. Okay, so if you'll be solving these questions there and then it will definitely help you. Okay, chaliye, so start karte hain. First question on your screen now. Which of the following is an even function? Which of the following is an even function? You have four options: A, B, C, and D. So post your answer in terms of A, B, C, or D. Which of the following functions is an even function? So you are given four functions: x raised to the power minus 12, x raised to the power plus 5, x raised to the power minus 45, and x raised to the power plus 83. Out of these four functions, tell me which of the following functions is an even function. Now, to mark a correct answer for this question, you need to understand what are even and odd functions. So, even and odd functions is one of the subtopics in functions from algebra. So, you need to know what are even and odd functions. A few more seconds. अगर पता है even and odd functions क्या होते हैं, then it will hardly take you 10 seconds to mark an answer for this question. Tarun has already marked this answer. All right, Tarun says option A is the correct answer. We'll see in a few moments. So I'll be giving you the definition of even and odd functions. Okay, so those who don't know what are even and odd functions, this is the right time to know about even and odd functions. So Tarun, can you tell me what is an even function? Hello Sonali, how are you? Guys, those who have joined just now, are you aware that the notification of CAT is out? CAT का notification आ चुका है, and we can fill the form starting from 2nd of August. I'll be conducting a small session today at 4 o'clock on YouTube. So we'll see once again at 4 o'clock once this session is over. Chaliye. So let's understand what are even functions. Those who know, those who understand what are even functions, can you please quickly write a small definition of even functions? Okay. So let's say fx is a function. Let's say fx is any random function. Then a function fx will be even if f of minus x will be equal to f of x. So if f of minus x is equal to f of x, then the function will be an even function. On the other hand, if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then the function will be an odd function. Okay, I'll make you understand taking an example of each of these functions. Okay, so let's say function f of x is x raised to the power 6 plus 4x square. I'm just taking a random function. मैंने एक random function लिखा है. I'll calculate f of minus x. Okay, f of minus x कैसे calculate करेंगे? जहां पे भी x है function में, x की जगह minus x substitute कर दो. ठीक है? So x raised to the power 6 में x की जगह minus x substitute किया तो minus x raised to the power 6 plus 4 minus x. Wait. So 4 times minus x whole square. Right? Now this will become, since we have even powers, so x raised to the power 6 plus 4x square will be f of minus x. Now we can compare these two, this and this, they are equal. This satisfies the above definition of even functions, and hence I can say that this function f of x is an even function. Okay, right? Can we Sonali, I'll take your query. Just give me a few seconds, few moments. Okay. Though I don't understand your question, I have a query. Can we get able to watch a recording of the topper batch? I don't understand this. Toppers batch अभी start नहीं हुआ है. Mid of August से launch होगा. Okay. Chali. Now this is one example that I've given you for even function. Now for odd function, I can take this option D as the example. Now odd function, let's say f of x is equal to x raised to the power 83. So f of minus x will be equal to minus x whole raised to the power 83. That is equal to minus of x raised to the power 83, right? So you can see that f of minus x, this value is negative of f of x, and hence it satisfies the criteria for odd function. Okay, so this is the basic definition of even and odd function, right? Now out of the given functions, if I look at option A, let's say function is x raised to the power minus 12. So f of minus x calculate करते हैं. F of minus x will be minus x raised to the power minus 12. All right, and this will become x raised to the power minus 12. Now since the power is even, negative sign will be absorbed. Okay, so f of minus x is equal to f of x. F of minus x and f of x both are equal, and hence option A, the function given in option A, is an even function. So those who have given option A as the answer, they all are absolutely correct. So option A, x raised to the power minus 12, is an even function, and the other functions, option B, C, and D, all three of them are odd functions. Okay, let's move ahead and look at the next question. Question number 2. Now, all of you, please, those who are there live in this session, solve each and every question that we'll be discussing here. Okay, so Sonali, Sai, Tarun, go ahead and solve question number 2. If the roots of the given equation differ by 5, then which of the following is true? If the roots of the given equation x square minus wx plus p equal to 0, the roots differ by 5, then which of the following statements is true? Take somewhere around 1.5 minute. Not a difficult question though. You should be clear, you should be handy with such formulas. Okay, so for a quadratic equation, sum of the roots क्या होता है, product of the roots क्या होता है, ये पता होना चाहिए, ये रटा होना चाहिए सब कुछ. Okay, so sum of the roots minus b upon a when the equation is written in its general form. According to this equation, sum of the roots will become w plus w. Okay, product of the roots is c upon a, which will become p. All right, so sum of the roots and product of the roots I have derived from the equation. Okay, difference of the roots is already given as 5. ठीक है, अब इनमें रिलेशन एस्टैब्लिश करना है तो कैसे एस्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं? सो देयर आर सम आइडेंटिटीज, अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर, अल्फा माइनस बीटा होल स्क्वायर, इन सबको यूज करके वी कैन एस्टैब्लिश अ रिलेशन बिटवीन अल्फा प्लस बीटा, अल्फा माइनस बीटा and alpha into beta. Let's see how. So alpha minus beta whole square can be written as alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. Now if I'll add and subtract यहाँ पे प्लस 2 अल्फा बीटा कर देता हूं माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा. Okay, so alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. This will give rise to alpha plus beta whole square. So this will become alpha plus beta whole square, and then remaining part minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta, it will become minus 4 alpha beta. Okay, so I can now say that alpha minus beta whole square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Just write, substitute the values of three of them from the values that are written at the top of the screen, and you will get your relation. So alpha minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta is 5, so 5 square is 25, is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, that is w square minus 4 times alpha into beta, that is p. So 25 is equal to w square minus 4p. Now, among the 4 options that are given to you, select which of the options is satisfying this thing. So I can see third option, w square is equal to 4p plus 25. Right, Sonali? You have given option B as the answer, but I believe option C is the correct answer. W square is equal to 4p plus 25. Option C matches with the relation that I have obtained. So the correct answer should be option C. W square is equal to 4p plus 25, and yes, that is the correct answer. Just be slightly careful, all of you, while deriving these relations, while applying any of the formulas. Just be extra careful. Okay. All right. Let's move ahead and look at question number 3. Question number 3 again on algebra. If x plus k is the factor of the given polynomial, then the values k can take among the given options. So x cube plus kx square plus kx plus 8. This is a polynomial that is given to you, and x plus k is given as the factor of this polynomial. So which of the following values can be taken by k? k की क्या values हो सकती है इन सब में से? Any answers? What should be the logic behind this? Basic logic, a very simple logic, zero of the polynomial. Or I'll elaborate this. So if you know that x plus alpha is the factor of f of x. So कोई भी एक polynomial है, कोई भी एक function है, f of x plus alpha, this is the factor of f of x, then we can say that f of minus alpha, or I should write it once again in a better way. If x minus alpha is the factor of f of x, then we can say that f of alpha will be equal to 0. Simple as that. Absolutely, Tarun. You are absolutely correct. Okay. So Vaishnav ने एक आंसर दिया है and Tarun has given a logic behind this. Okay. So देखते हैं अब आंसर क्या आता है and if the answer given by Vaishnav is correct or not. Okay. So x plus k is the factor of this polynomial. So Tarun, rightly given by you, x is equal to minus k should satisfy, should make this 0. Okay, should be the root of the given equation. Absolutely. So x equal to minus k, when substituted in this polynomial should be equal to 0. Okay, so let's substitute x is equal to minus k. So minus k whole cube plus k into minus k whole square plus k into minus k plus 8 is equal to 0. So minus k whole cube will become minus k cube, k into minus k whole square will become plus k cube, then minus k square plus 8 equal to 0. So minus k cube and k cube will get cancelled, okay? And I'll be left with k square is equal to 8. Now if k square is equal to 8, the value of k will be equal to plus minus 2 under root 2. Okay, so k can assume two values, plus 2 root 2 and minus 2 root 2. So out of these two, k can take any of these values. So option A, option C, I cannot mark both of them as the answer. So the correct answer has to be option D, that is either option A or option C. Okay, so option D is absolutely correct. Very basic logic related to algebra, but a very useful logic. Okay, so that was question number 3. Let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4, problem on ages, a word problem. Jaldi se equations banao and give me the answer. Sheila's grandmother was 7 times in age than Sheila 8 years ago. She will be 2 times her age after 22 years from now. Find the ratio of Sheila's age to that of grandmother's age. Very basic equations to deal with. It's just that how fast you are able to get the answer. Any answer for this one? All right, so let's start making the equations. Now, Sheila, let's say the present age is X and grandmother present age Y. Now, first statement is talking about 8 years ago. So 8 years ago, Sheila की age होगी X minus 8 and grandmother will be or was Y minus 8. Okay, right? So the relation was Sheila's grandmother was 7 times. So Sheila's grandmother was 7 times the age of Sheila. So this will be the equation. So I'll simplify this equation. It will become 7x minus y is equal to 56 minus 8, that is 48. So this is first equation. All right. Second equation, she will be 2 times her age after 22 years from now. So 22 years from now. So second equation, Sheila will be x plus 22, grandmother will be y plus 22, and Sheila will be, grandmother will be twice the age of Sheila after 22 years, right? So second equation को भी simplify कर लेते हैं. 2x minus y is equal to minus 22. So this is the second equation. All right. Now I can eliminate variable y by subtracting second equation from first equation. So first equation minus second equation, 7x minus 2x. On the left hand side, I have 5x. Minus y, minus of minus y will cancel. On the right hand side, 48 minus minus 22. That is 70. So the value of x will come out to be 14. All right. So I can say that Sheila's present age is equal to 14. Now to find out grandmother's present age, I can substitute the value of x in this equation. So x is 14. So the value of y will be 14 into 2, that is 28. 28 plus 22, that is 50. So the present age of grandmother is 50, right? Now we have to find out the ratio of Sheila's age to that of grandmother's. So 14 is to 50 is the correct answer. I can cancel out 2 from here. Answer will be 7 is to 25. And that is option C, rightly given by Resham. Sai, नहीं, Sai ने तो कुछ और लिखा है. There is 7x minus 8. साई मैंने इक्वेशन को डायरेक्ट सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया. दिस इक्वेशन, सो 7x, ये जो y राइट हैंड साइड पे था, आई हैव टेकन इट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So I have written the simplified form of this equation, simplified form of this equation. Okay, so take 1 or 2 steps and you will get the simplified form. So Tarun, Sonali, Vaishnav and Resham, all 4 of you are absolutely correct. Good. Answer is option C. Let's move on and look at question number 5. Question number 5 is slightly tricky, slightly lengthy. Okay, so be careful while, first of all, while calculating the last term of the series. Okay, 100th term. First 3 terms are given. You'll have to calculate the last term, 100th term, and then you'll have to proceed. You can proceed. Okay. All right. So Shraddha, you asked one question a few moments ago. So finally, grads के साथ 4 entrances हो तो क्रैक कुछ तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन. अरे श्रद्धा, please don't be low in confidence. Every year, like majority of the students who get admissions into top B schools, they are freshers, right? They'll have to manage entrance examinations, they'll have to manage college examinations. All right, so please don't worry at all. Har saal, like thousands of students, they crack examination, they crack CAT, they crack different examinations. Okay, so same thing is with you. You will be able to crack these examinations, don't worry. Yes, Vaishno, at 4 o'clock, I will be conducting a session on the notification of CAT. 4 o'clock. Once this session is over, After a break of 10 to 15 minutes, we'll be starting that session at 4 p.m. in which I'll be talking about the notification of CAT. Okay, so first three terms are given, and you will have to find out the sum of first 100 terms of the series. So I'm writing the first term 1 upon 2 into 5, then the second term 1 upon 5 into 8, third term 1 upon 8 into 11, and then I'll write the last term. Now I will give you 30 seconds. I'll give all of you 30 seconds. Quickly tell me what will be the last term, what will be the 100th term of the series. इस सीरीज का 100th टर्म क्या होगा? जल्दी से लिख दो. Those who can write 100th term of the series will be able to solve this question. बिना 100 term लिखे नहीं हो सकता ये, and 100 term लिखना is not a difficult task. So just observe the first three terms. Just observe the first part of the first three terms. first part जो है first three terms के, सिर्फ उनको observe कर लो, समझ में आ जाएगा 100th term कैसे लिखना है. Absolutely, Tarun. Okay, so Tarun ने एक आंसर लिखा है for the 100th term. Vaishnav, Resham, Sonali, come on, I'm waiting for all of you as well. Sai. Now 2, 5 and 8. Look at these numbers that I've circled. Now these numbers are forming an arithmetic progression. 2, 5, 8. These are forming an arithmetic progression with a common difference of 3. Okay, so you can apply the formula of arithmetic progression on these numbers and calculate the 100th term, right? So a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, that is 2 plus 100 minus 1 multiplied by 3, that is 2 plus 99 into 3, that is 299. So 1 upon 299 multiplied by 2 plus 3 is 5. So the two numbers which are written in the denominator of any term, they differ by 3. So इन दोनों के बीच में difference भी 3 का है. So it will be 1 upon 299 multiplied by 302. All right. So all of you have written. Saket has also joined us. So this will be the 100th term of the series, right? Okay. So first of all, it is important to write the complete series. मैंने complete series लिख दी है. Now observe that everywhere in the denominator the difference is 3. ठीक है? So I'll be making a few changes. यहीं पे ही चलो मैं दोबारा से लिख देता हूँ and then I'll keep on making changes. So what I'll do is I will multiply and divide this entire series by 3. So मैंने 3 से divide कर दिया as you can see at the top, and I'll multiply 3 in the numerator of every term separately. So just observe that after the first step, Vaishnav, this is not a harmonic progression. ठीक है ना? तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन हम हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन से नहीं कर सकते. This is actually not a harmonic progression, right? ओके, सो हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन में टर्म्स इंडिपेंडेंट अलग अलग होनी चाहिए थी. ठीक है. नाउ वैष्णव, दिस इज अ टिपिकल टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन. Okay, just give me 2-3 minutes, I'll explain you, and this question will become an easiest question that you will see in miscellaneous series of the chapter of sequence and series. ठीक है, सबसे easy question लगना शुरू हो जाएगा. So what I've done is, since the difference in the numbers in the denominator of every term was 3, difference 3 था, ठीक है, तो मैंने क्या किया, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, मतलब मैंने कंप्लीट टर्म को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर दिया. ओके, सो आई हैव बैलेंस्ड इट आउट. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. नाउ just look at any of these terms. I'll just extract one of these terms, this one. So 3 upon 2 multiply 5. I can write it as 5 minus 2. So 3 को मैंने क्या लिखा, 5 minus 2. So what I'm doing is I'm writing the numerator as the difference of the denominators, 2 into 5. Okay, So 3 को मैंने लिख दिया 5 minus 2 and denominator as it is. Now you can separate the numerators. So it will become 5 upon 2 into 5 minus 2 upon 2 into 5. Simplifying this, it will become 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, so this term, as you can see, I have converted it into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. So now the expression will become 1 upon 3 outside the bracket as it is. Yes, Vijay, very good, very good. So Vijay has already given the answer. Vijay, in a few moments we'll be reaching to the final answer. So let's see if your answer is correct or not. So 1 upon 3 outside the bracket. Now first term को मैंने convert कर दिया था 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. Now, if we'll apply the same operations on the second term, it will become 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 8. Similarly, third term will become 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 11, and so on. If you'll keep on writing all these terms, the last term will become 1 upon 299 minus 1 upon 302. Okay, so this will be the series, this will be the expression how it looked like. Okay, now consider the terms, observe the terms which are given inside the brackets. Minus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. The second term of the first bracket and the first term of the second bracket will cancel. Minus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Similarly, minus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. Minus 1 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11. All these things will get cancelled. Okay. So all the terms in the middle will get cancelled, and the first term of the first bracket and the last term, the second term of the last bracket, these two terms will remain inside the brackets. So 1 upon 3 bracket, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 302. This will be the thing that will be left out. Okay. Now you can simplify it and get the final answer. All right. So 302, 300 upon 2 into 302. Okay. And the final answer will be 25 upon 151. Okay. 25 upon 151. And option B is the correct answer. Okay. All right. Now Sonali says something, sir, in mock quant accuracy is not improving. Kind of worry and demotivated. What strategy should I follow? Okay, so Sonali, I'll be conducting 1 or 2 more sessions in the upcoming week. I and Gautam sir, we all will be conducting some sessions. And now for the enrolled students, what we are doing is we are planning some sessions in which we'll be teaching you how to basically write a mock examination by attempting a live mock in front of you. You understand? So, we'll open a mock paper. Any of the faculty will open a mock paper which he or she would be seeing for the first time, and we will act like a student and will teach you how to make a particular decision in selecting or rejecting any question in the live format. Okay, so we'll be conducting these sessions now for all of you because now all of you must have started participating in the mock examinations. Okay, and Sonali, in the first few mocks like 10-12 mocks में ना थोड़ा बहुत selectivity में problem आता है, ठीक है? Now once your course will be over, once you will start the revision, everything will be in place. Believe me, we handle students every year. I've been handling students since last 16 years. Okay, and this is the stage, July August का जो period होता है. Okay, in these months there are lots of students who come up with these with problems like this. Okay, so please don't worry about this. All these things will improve. All right, the only thing I would suggest you is keep doing a proper analysis of each and every mock. Just keep finding out what mistakes you have done, what are your weak areas, and once you identify your weak areas, once you identify your mistakes in any of the mocks, then keep working on all those mistakes and shortcomings. All right, so this is the only thing that you can do on your part. Rest, whatever is happening with you, it happens with almost every student. So please don't worry, believe on us. you will be on the right track. Actually, you are on the right track. It's just that you're not getting marks. You're suffering with the accuracy. It will improve certainly. All right. With this, let's move on to question number 6. How many values of a, where a is greater than 1, satisfy the following equation? Well said, Vaishnav. So, Sonali, just read what Vaishnav has mentioned. So, Sonali, what generally happens is the mocks that we are making, they are slightly on a higher level of difficulty as compared to actual CAT examinations. Okay. So, just treat mock papers as an additional study material that is basically helping you in getting aware with the different type of questions. Okay. So, just keep studying all those things, right? And you will improve, you'll certainly be improving. And CAT में definitely mock से थोड़ा सा lower level of difficulty होता है. Okay. All right. So question number 6 on your screen. How many values of A satisfy the following equation? Just need to simplify both the left hand side and right hand side, and you can see your answer immediately. Any answer for this? All right, Saket. चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं. So simplifying the left hand side, I can write it as log a upon log 3, log a upon log 5, log a upon log 9. So it will become log of a whole cube divided by log 3 multiplied by log 5 multiplied by log 9. On the right hand side, again I'll do the same thing. ठीक है. So log a whole square I can take common from all the three terms that are written on the right hand side. Okay. And then in the denominator I will have, so these terms will be 1 upon log 3 into log 5 plus 1 upon, चलो मैं लिख देता हूँ, 1 upon log 3 into log 5 plus 1 upon log 3 into log 9 plus 1 upon log 5 into log 9. On the right hand side I can take LCM. Okay, so सबसे पहले तो log a whole square cancel कर देते हैं. So log a whole square if I'll cancel, so on the left hand side I'll be left with log a divided by log 3, log 5, log 9. Okay, on the right hand side I can take log 3, log 5, log 9 as LCM. ठीक है, and then I will have log of 3 plus log of 5 plus log of 9. Okay, denominators will get cancelled. So the value of log a will be equal to log 3 plus log 5 plus log 9, and that is equal to log of 3 into 5 into 9. So 15 into 9, 135. So log a is equal to log 135. So from here you can write the value of a. So as I can see that there is only one value of a that satisfies this equation. So the correct answer will be option B. Also, don't forget, since I've cancelled log a, so log a can also be equal to 0. The base is 10, so the value of a can be 1. So there can be actually two different values of a. A can be 1 or a can be at the bottom of the screen 135. Since I need the value of a which is greater than 1, so a equal to 1, one of the values of a will be removed, will be rejected, and greater than 1, I'll have only one value of a, that is 135. Okay, I hope you have understood. In absence of this condition, if they're asking you about the total number of values of a, then the answer would have been 2. A is equal to 1 as well as 135. Okay, all right. Let's move ahead and look at the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is a very tricky question of functions. So let's see how many of you are able to give me a right answer for this one. So you are given a function f of x is equal to 2 upon 4 raised to the power x plus 2. Then you'll have to find out the value of expression f of 1 upon 1001 plus f of 2 upon 1001 plus and so on up till f of 1000 upon 1001. These questions generally इनका जो लॉजिक होता है वो माइंड में क्लिक कैसे करता है जस्ट बाय ऑब्जर्वेशंस सो थोड़ा बहुत ऑब्जर्वेशन देखो कि गिवन क्या है पूछा क्या हुआ है कीप ऑब्जर्विंग दोस थिंग्स and if your observations are good then you'll be able to probably crack the logic behind these questions. So what I'll observe is inside the bracket of the first term and the last term. Okay, so f of 1 upon 1001. Okay, so let's say if this is f of x. ठीक है, मैं इसको f of x assume कर रहा हूँ. That means I'm saying that I'm considering x as 1 upon 1001. So if x is this, then the value inside the bracket, the last bracket, okay, the last term, 1000 upon 1001. This can be written as 1 minus x. If this is x, then 1000 upon 1001 can be written as 1 minus x. Okay, so the first term, if it is f of x, the last term is f of 1 minus x, right? Now already I have the function f of x as 2 upon 4 raised to the power x plus 2. ठीक है, अब f of x पता है, f of 1 minus x, let's try to find out this function, right? So f of x is 2 upon 4 raised to the power x plus 2, and f of 1 minus x will become 2 upon 4 raised to the power 1 minus x plus 2. Let's simplify this. So it will become 2 upon 4 divided by 4 raised to the power x plus 2. Taking LCM and 4 raised to the power x को हम numerator में ले जाएंगे. So it will become 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power x divided by 4 plus 2 into 2 into 4 raised to the power x. Okay, LCM liya 4 raised to the power x and I've taken it in the numerator, right? And then cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. It will become 4 raised to the power x divided by 4 raised to the power x plus 2. So this is f of 1 minus x. F of x and f of 1 minus x, right? Now, if I'll add f of x and f of 1 minus x, that means what I'm doing is I'm trying to add the first and the last term. Okay, so f of x and f of 1 minus x, इन दोनों functions को अगर मैं add करता हूँ, so 2 upon 4 raised to the power x plus 2 is f of x, and 4 raised to the power x divided by 4 raised to the power x plus 2 is f of 1 minus x. इन दोनों को अगर add करेंगे ना, the sum is coming out to be 1. Okay, so it tells me that the sum of first and the last term is equal to 1. Similarly, the sum of second and second last term will also be equal to 1. Third and third last term का sum भी 1 आ जाएगा, and so on. So every two terms will combine and their sum will be equal to 1. Okay, so every two terms, first and last term का sum 1 आ जाएगा, second and second last term का sum 1 आ जाएगा, third and third last का sum 1 आ जाएगा, and so on. You will keep on adding these terms, taking two terms in pairs. Okay, what is the total number of terms? Total number of terms is 1000. The sum of every two terms is 1. So what should be the sum of these 1000 terms? The sum of these 1000 terms will be equal to 500. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, that is 500. All right, fine. Now I have seen this type of question coming up in CAT 3 or 4 times. 3-4 बार similar question. f of x and f of 1 minus x, इन दोनों को ऐड किया, 1 आ गया सम या 2 आ गया, कुछ भी आ गया, एक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू आ जाती है. Okay, so this type of question has been repeated in CAT many a times, right? So try to do every variety of questions that comes in CAT. All right. So that was question number 7. Answer was option A. Now you can unlock your free trial for CAT for the preparation of CAT examination by visiting our application. So you can unlock your 3-day free trial access. Just visit our app, enter your mobile number, and start the free trial. All right. Okay. Now you can enroll in the test series that is available for all of you, CAT 2023 and the other MBA entrance examinations test series. There are 80 plus mock examinations, 25 mock CATs, and 55 non-CAT mock papers. Topic-wise tests covering all the subtopics are available for all of you. Video solutions for all CAT mock papers will be there, and all these things will be there with detailed mock analysis. All right. Now, CAT 2022 toppers from the last year, this is the list. Now, friends, those who are little late in starting their preparation and have not yet started, or just they have started the preparation for CAT 2023 and they want any of the batches to basically catalyze their preparation for CAT 2023. So the new batches are available for CAT 2023 comprehensive program. Please do enroll in this program using the link that is there in the description of this session. Friends, a very important session we are conducting for all of you, 100 days strategy for CAT 2023. As in this session also I have mentioned about this thing. Live interactive workshop will be conducted on 6th of August at 11 a.m. Now this workshop will be free for all of you, and Gautam Bava sir will be conducting this workshop in which we'll be discussing about the CAT study plan, the insights for CAT notification. Yes, the notification is already out. CAT 2023 expected paper pattern and decoding the different changes that will be there for this. All right. Also, All India Open Mock CAT 2023 will be live on 11th of August up till 20th of August. So this All India Open Mock will give you the actual CAT experience. Okay. Now, friends, there will be video attempt by IM alumni for this mock. Okay, you can identify your D-Day strategy by by writing these mocks. Okay, video solution will be there for each and every question. Okay, so please be a part and don't forget to attempt this All India Open Mock. All right. So friends, that's all from my side for this session. We'll see you again in a few moments at 4 o'clock. Okay. live on YouTube discussing the notification of CAT examination. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. We'll see you. Bye bye.